Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve language on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook on language on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you click in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app, as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.